Welcome back to the channel. Alright guys, today we're gonna be getting the miata drunk. We're really excited. The car can legally drink, we cannot. Wait, how old are y'all?
Wait, where is the
21 next month.
21.
You're actually 21?
Actually 21.
Yeah guys, today we're gonna see if EVERCLEAR can be used as car fuel in our 1990 Mazda Miata. This video is sponsored by Vikings War Clans. Shout out to them for helping us kind of recoup some of the losses we got from George the Geo, because...
Thanks, Zach.
Zach.
Can you not figure it out? Oh, you finally got.
So we don't actually have the EVERCLEAR, and since I can't legally buy it, since Zach can't legally buy it, Joe has to buy it for us. Thanks, Dad.
Hey, Dad.
Is this your first time buying alcohol for some kids?
It's not for kids, it's for a car.
I mean, you're not wrong. And this is why Joe is deaf.
Yep.
I like how there's a liquor store and then there's a driving school right next to it. Everything you need in life, boys. All right, Joe, here's my credit card.
What size am I getting?
Extra large? No, hey, keep it under $20. Under
20?
Yeah.
$100.
Zach, they grow up so fast. Oh, dude, it's Sunday. I just realized. We're so stupid. I forgot. They don't sell liquor on Sundays.
They're closed, you idiots.
I forgot it's Sunday. We're at that stage in life where all the days in the week start morphing together.
How'd you forget it was Sunday? We didn't go to Chick-fil-A because it's Sunday.
That's true. Can I have my credit card back?
Boy.
All right, guys. Wait, was it 4 days later, right?
Yeah.
4 days later, liquor store should be open, I hope. So anyways, Joe's got the money. He's about to go buy us miners some EVERCLEAR. Thanks, Dad.
I'm buying the car.
The car EVERCLEAR.
The car EVERCLEAR? Yeah.
Yes,
because remember,
legally able to drink.
Yes.
We're not.
Exactly. The Miata can legally drink.
So we're going to get it up.
Don't get me sent to jail, please.
You look so disappointed. Yeah, he's not an alcoholic. What'd you get?
Your car's an alcoholic.
Holy crap, that's big.
This is the one I had bad experience with.
Joe, how much did you spend on that?
$36.
Honestly, that's a pretty good. All right, guys, we just picked up the EVERCLEAR. This stuff is like 95% pure alcohol. That is insane, dude.
That's rough.
And that's pretty bad. Zach, what are you doing over here, bro?
I am playing Vikings War Clans. It's actually a pretty fun game. Y'all should check it out. It's a lot of fun.
Joe, take it away.
That was the game that was inspired by the famous strategy and RPG games in the 90s, like Chrono Trigger, Final Fantasy VII, and Fallout 2, that we all love to play and with dedication and today's youngsters will never understand. What makes Vikings World so addictive is that more than 20 million players are online, constantly changing the way the game evolves by never-ending fighting over resources, forging new alliances, and competing in live events. Some of the best things about the game are the amazing design, graphics, the rich Vikings content, clan battles, live events, and very active competitions. Support our channel by downloading Vikings for free from the description below and get a special bonus of 200 gold coins and a protective shield.
Cha-ching!
Don't forget to look me up and join my Vikings clan underneath the nickname Novice Vikings.
At Lambda is 14.7.
All right, I'm gonna stop right there, cowboy. Closer and louder.
I don't know.
You gotta talk loud like this.
Guys,
Hey!
Just
This
take
alcohol to burn safely, it's roughly an 8-to-1 ratio versus fuel, which is usually at 14.7.
Anyways, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna open the hood, get the fuel drained out, and pour the EVERCLEAR into the car.
So, will EVERCLEAR work as fuel? Let's find out.
Yeah, I started watching the channel 3 years ago with the Corvette video.
No way, really?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm hanging out with you guys now. I don't feel any different, you know?
You don't feel any more popular?
Oh God, no. You guys are retarded, especially that one.
Wait,
And I'm pretty stupid. And that's saying a lot.
As most of y'all know that I've seen these videos in the past, we gotta drain the gas that's still in the gas tank, so it'll be 100% EVERCLEAR. And to do that, we're simply disconnecting the line that goes to the fuel rail and hooking up a little hose to our gas can. And there should be like less than a gallon in the tank, right, Zach?
yeah, I'm just waiting for you to put the paperclip in.
Okay, so now I gotta put the paperclip in, which, long story short, forces the fuel pump on. Let's do it.
I'm adding some Lucas to the oil in hopes of kind of thickening it a little bit.
Did you buy that instead of oil?
This is oil, genius.
Lucas?
Like instead of like
Lucas oil?
Hey.
like
You add a quart of this to some cars that have a lot of miles, and it can help seal the rings and quiet lifter tick and other stuff. This thing needs as much help as it can get, so.
We got one more fuel video coming, and then this thing's getting a new engine, so subscribe if you want to see more shenanigans with the Miata, because it'll be fun, and Zach's not allowed to drive it.
Comment down below if you want to see it on the next fuel video we do. and say if you want this thing to blow up or not. If you want us to blow the motor, comment yes, blow the motor, or no, don't blow the motor, because either way, we're gonna be replacing this motor. So, would you guys like to see this car go with a bang? Comment yes or no.
You want to borrow my nitrous kit?
Okay, so the fuel is done. All the fuel is out of the car. So what I'm gonna do is reconnect the fuel line, and then we're gonna show y'all that the car is completely out of gas. And once we do that, then we're going to go ahead and get started on pouring the EVERCLEAR into the car. And we're gonna try to see if it runs just fine without any tuning to the ECU and to the car.
Again, we're gonna prove to y'all there's no gas in the tank. So it was running until we did this. All right guys, so I have the key in the ignition. We're gonna go ahead and turn it over, see if it starts. So as you can tell, there's still a little bit of gas left in the line. So we're just gonna keep doing that till it's all purged out. It usually doesn't do this.
No,
that's interesting.
Usually just
Is all the gas out, Zach?
Yeah.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
What? How is it running? I don't know.
There is no fuel lines connected at all.
Is that the towel from my
This thing literally runs on hopes and dreams.
There's no fuel coming out right now. We have no fuel coming out of this hose. So we're just gonna call it good.
No, you made a good point. It may be running on oil because this thing leaks oil everywhere, so that might be why. But we're just gonna go ahead and put the EVERCLEAR in, guys. So just so y'all know, this is actually EVERCLEAR. We're breaking the seal right here. Make sure it's focused. Hear that? All right. Who wants a shot?
Oh, fuck.
You're the only one that can. He's the only one that's of age. We do not condone underage drinking.
This isn't gonna be embarrassing.
You want a little cup for a shot?
I got it.
Hey, aren't you of age in Florida?
Yeah. All right.
Time to get this car very, very drunk.
Here we go, guys.
Oh my God.
Can we take away from this one?
Don't huff this at home, kids.
Your fingers are gonna be burning after this one, bro. Oh my gosh.
Things I do.
3, 2, 1.
Ad break!
Wow, it's running better on this than it is gas.
Give it a second. Give it a second. So, a lot of times when we first put a different fuel in the tank, there's still some gasoline in the lines, so it kind of mixes together for the first 30 seconds. And usually after that, it starts really struggling with whatever we're running. In this case, EVERCLEAR. So, oh, there it goes. That's what I'm talking about. So, okay, so obviously it's running really rough. So we're gonna see if we can make the car run on EVERCLEAR. So what we're gonna do, this car is running Mega Squirt. For any of you Miata guys, for any of y'all that don't know Miatas, it's basically just an aftermarket ECU that we can go in and tune and change a bunch of settings with the engine. So I think first what we're gonna do, since alcohol is supposed to burn at an 8-to-1 ratio roughly, obviously gasoline is like a 14.7 to 1. What we're gonna try and do first is just add 50% more fuel to the entire table. We're gonna upload that to the ECU and see how that runs. All right guys, so there's 50% more fuel. So we're gonna go ahead and hit burn, and that uploads the new fuel table to our computer, our ECU. And let's see if it makes any difference. Ready?
Yep.
I think we should add more fuel to it.
Probably.
All right. So as you guys can tell, it still has a really hard time idling and just starting in general. Now we're running roughly twice the fuel as we were before. Burn and hit close. All right, go and start it. You might have to give it a little bit of gas.
Sick camera, bro.
I mean, it's running kind of. What do you think? It's idling.
Oh, it's so bad.
donuts, that means it runs.
It does some screw. I mean, it's like, it gets better the faster you go.
Yeah.
You ready for a burnout?
Yeah, let's do it, bro. Send it.
Alright, let's see if she does a burnout. This is the dangerous part right here, boys.
Like gunshots.
Alright guys, so there you have it. We made our car run Everclear. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to see more. We're gonna be doing one more fuel video. I'm not sure what it is yet. We'll figure it out though. So until next time, we will see you in a few days. Thanks for joining us. Peace. It looks so scared. Help!
Oh, I look so scared right now, bro.